Welcome to India Yojana, laptops for students in AP. Jagan Sarkar is implementing welfare schemes for the second year in a row in AP. CM YS Jagan inaugurated the second year payments of Jagananna Ammabodi, a key Navratna in Nellore. The government deposits Rs 15,000 a year in the account of every mother who sends her children into slavery. The scheme was initially introduced to students in grades 1 to 10 but later extended to inter. This time Jagananna Ammabodi deposited 13,023 crores. So in the second installment, Rs 14,000 in the eligible accounts for Rs 15,000. Another 1,000 will be credited to the DTMF, District Toilet Management Fund. So the 1,000 rupee will be used for the maintenance of toilets in public schools. So after the launch of this scheme, CM Jagan YS announced a few more gifts to the students. Jagan said that from the next year, every sister will be given a replacement of Chellamma. Mothers of children studying from 9th class to 12th class can take money if they want money in Ammabodi from next year. Otherwise, they won't want money. They are ready to give if they want laptops. Rs 25,000 to Rs 27,000 laptops. They are arranging to give the lowest possible price. These laptops have a 3-year warranty. If damaged, they will be replaced within a week. Laptops will also be given to those who receive the blessings of accommodation. He said only online classes were being conducted during COVID and poor children were in trouble. We have decided to change this situation. We also introduced computer course from 8th class onwards. Anganwadis are going to change YSSR pre-primary 1 and YSSAR pre-primary 2. So all the direct links will be given in description. You may check them out. So we are making a revolutionary changes in the field of education from now on. If the children does not come to the school one day, the parents will get a message on the phone immediately. If they do not go for 2 days, the volunteer will go directly to the child's house on the 3rd day. Village secretarial employees, volunteers, parents, community and teachers are said to be responsible for sending the children to school. SC, ST, BC, we are going to focus exclusively on behalf of the government for the next 3 years so that everyone of school age can get an education for the poor of the upper caste. So this is about the laptop scheme. So make sure to check out all the links I will be updating. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.